Good morning. That time again, all packed and ready to go. Going down the south coast, and I've got a couple of new toys. I've got to go and test it. Only way to test it is go camping. Chat later. See you on the other side. Cheers. Hello. I've arrived at Mac Nicol's. Hot and humid. The wind's blowing at the moment, and it's blowing the humidity away. At least it's getting a bit better. Cooling down a little bit now. It took me quite a while to get down here. Firstly, when I left home, I stopped at Micah, bought a piece of pipe there I can use for my air conditioner drain. Yeah, one of the stops I did was in the Mams and Toti. I had to go and wish a friend of mine happy birthday. I met Anna on the Abbot Fenner Trappist Trail a couple of years ago. That started in Rachenau there by Underberg, and it finished in Pinetown, and they went to, I think, 11 missions. I was a photographer and water boy on that event. And then I had to stop in at Park Rennie. Had to go and get a soft serve. It was a bit hot coming down. But I'm here, and beautiful, wind is blowing a bit, but again, who cares? The river is very full. We've had a lot of rain around here. Oh my word, hot and humid. I felt some water drops on my head, doesn't know where it comes from. And it was monkey's wedding, it's raining. Good morning, Thursday morning. Absolutely stunning sunrise this morning. And also a very quick change of colour. But at the moment, peaceful and quiet. You can see one fisherman there on the beach. It did cool down a bit last night. Went down to 27 and a half. Real stinker weather here. At the moment, coolish, damp, but I'm sure the humidity is going to hit us again just now. For a caravan park, it's not that busy as it is at the moment. This place is kept in very good trim. Gardens are all nicely cut back and all clean, and the ablutions are clean. Everything is just top condition. For the past 2 days, they've been cutting back and cleaning up this walkway. No idea how many years this has been here. Good morning, Friday morning. Absolutely beautiful sunrise again this morning.